Today I'm going to show you how to make a LinkedIn post. To create a post on LinkedIn, you can literally go ahead and click on Start a Post. Here, you will be able to post in whatever it is that you would like to say. If it's just like a statement, you can add it in here. With this statement, with this text, you can add in media. So if you click on Add Media, you'll be able to upload from your computer. You'll also be able to add in an event. So if you've connected a calendar, you can actually create an event over here. You can celebrate a particular occasion, whether it is something that is featured on LinkedIn or not. And then over here, if you click on more, we have the opportunity to share that you've been hired. You can create a poll. You can add a document in over here, and then you can actually find an expert if you're looking for somebody particular. Another way of doing this is clicking simply on video, on photo, or write article, and you will be able to now create a post with either one of these.